In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar in Gmail. This handy feature allows you to easily manage your schedule without needing to leave your Gmail inbox, making your workflow much more streamlined and effective. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to head over to Gmail. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, take a look at the right-hand side of your Gmail page. You'll notice a panel filled with several icons, including those for Google apps such as Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Contacts. This right-hand panel is a convenient gateway to all these apps, letting you access them without having to open a new tab or window. Now locate the calendar icon in this panel. It's easy to spot. It looks like a little square with the number 31 inside it. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a mini Google Calendar window will open right beside your Gmail inbox. This nifty feature allows you to quickly glance at your schedule while still being able to view your emails. You can do quite a bit with this miniature calendar. It provides you with an overview of your scheduled events, and from here, you can also add new events, making it easier to seamlessly manage your daily tasks and commitments. If you have a meeting or an event that you need to join, you can do so directly through the mini calendar panel. It truly makes scheduling less of a hassle by keeping everything within reach. However, if you need to see a more detailed view of your calendar or manage your events more extensively, you'll want to access your full calendar. To do that, look at the top of the mini calendar panel. There, you'll find an option labeled Open in Calendar. By clicking this, you'll be redirected to the full version of Google Calendar, which opens in a new tab. This version gives you a comprehensive view of your calendar, letting you easily navigate through your days, weeks, or months and manage your events in depth. And there you have it. By accessing your Google Calendar through Gmail, you can efficiently juggle your schedule while keeping your emails in view, enhancing productivity, and ensuring you stay on top of all your commitments. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes organizing your calendar and inbox a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.